My name is Bashir Bashir. I'm the founder and CEO of Yova, and you're probably wondering why I'm showing you gold-plated plates here for one-time use for a restaurant. Part of the application, and I'm just going to get right to it, is to help businesses who are in the local community here around really the nation to buy together. So it's an application that takes advantage of volume-based discounts so that businesses who are buying things, everyday purchase needs like plates that you're going to get rid of, as soon as you use them, why buy those things alone when you can purchase that together, have that power of businesses buying together in order to get everybody's margins up and to get those items at the lowest cost possible. So what I'm going to show you here is how easy that happens within the Yova platform. So what you're looking at here is imagine yourself as a restaurant owner in Minneapolis, and you come to a website like this, and most of you who are in this business know this website, Webstaurant Store, and essentially you've got all of these items here, and disposables are a really common example of things that you buy for your business every single week, and you need to get the cost down because, again, it's not a core part of your business. It's something that you have to buy in order to operate. So you come down here and you find an item like this. Right now it's sitting at, for 10 or more, $37.60 a case, okay? And for a small business who's trying to survive, trying to get a growth opportunity, that's a lot of money for them to have to buy that every single week. What if you can still take advantage of this discount, but at the same time buy maybe 1 or 2 cases for what you need? To do that, you have to buy with 1 or 2 other restaurants. So now we're in the Yova platform, showing you here a live example, demo, but a live in the product, of 2 restaurants who are buying forks together from the same website. And this is a transaction that's already been completed successfully, as you can see. 2 buyers, local Minneapolis buyers, bought 40 cases together, and because of that 40, they were able to unlock a discount price of $10.99 a case, significantly cheaper than if they were to buy it alone. And so you could see the 2 restaurants listed here. One's buying at 31 cases and another one's only buying 9. But you need both of them in order to access the discount because they individually don't meet that minimum requirement set by the supplier. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to do a new transaction right on the fly. And we're going to use that same plastic plate here instead of the fork that you just saw in Yova. So, okay, switched into a different account, and I'm going to be switching to different personas, so bear with me here. Right now, I'm logged in as a buyer, okay? And in this buyer here, I'm going to submit a new request discount in the Yova platform. In 2 steps, I'm going to be able to tell the world in the Yova platform that I'm interested in buying those plates, and I want to see if other restaurants are interested in buying it with me. I'm going to pick a category, disposables, subcategory, and we'll just do the cutlery for now, and just use that as a category here. Copy that URL. This is how easy it is. You just take that URL from that website, and because of our back-end Rails tech stack and the ability for us to build a custom scraper, when I hit that continue button, it's actually going to pull everything from the website. It's going to pull the product URL, the name, keep those categories and subcategories. In some cases, we're pulling the price. In other cases, we're not. In this case, you can see, depending on the product and the way that it was set up, we're going to ask you to put in that price. Let's say you pay $37 for a case of those plates. You can add a description, attach as many images as you need. When you click continue here, here's where the power of group buying comes in. How much of those cases do you need? Say we're going to go ahead and buy 2 of those cases that are in for $37 each. And what I'm looking for is a 5% discount. So I'm looking to get for about $35 recurring, and I want to see if there are other buyers out there who are willing to join with me so we can get that percentage discount going forward. When you hit submit, instantly now I've got my request, but everybody else will be able to see this product here. If I log in as someone, a second buyer now, and hit that explore request and refresh the page, there's that silver white plastic plate. And you can see there's that 1 request at 2 units. I can join that request as the second buyer, or I can sell it right now to this individual. But to show the power of buying together, I'm going to go ahead and join that request. I don't have to enter in the URL because all the information is exactly the same. Once I put in that quantity, 5, and I'm going to go ahead and ask for 5% discount as well. That's going to combine those units for us at 2 requests. Then, as coming back in as the supplier who sold to those 2 restaurants earlier, now I can actually go to the home page of Yova and see those 2 requests as 7 units and sell that same item to them and choose what types of quantities I want to run that promotion for. So let's just say between 2 cases and 10 cases, I'm going to make this really cool for them. I'm going to give them 4% off. But between 11 and 25 cases, I'm going to give them 6% off, kind of give them an incentive to buy together. We're going to run this for a short amount of time. You can run this for days, but for the promo, we're just doing it for minutes. Put in your shipping and handling fees and return policies, all the things that you would do normally. And now I've got a live actual promotion for that product, and I didn't create any data. All I've done was essentially sell that product. Come back out here. There's that notification that a new deal was created for my request. Buyer 1 sees 0 units have been committed, adds it to the cart. When we view that cart, the rest of the process is exactly the same as Amazon or eBay. The difference, though, between Amazon and eBay is you're not going to be charged until we unlock the lowest discount. So if I look here right now, my savings are 0 at 1 unit, okay? But if I buy 2 or 3 units, I start to see my savings because that vendor has told me between 2 and 10, he's gonna give me 4% off. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy 3 of them, continue this process, enter in my shipping address. And again, I wanna stress, we're not charging the card. All we're doing is making sure that the suppliers are aware that this individual is serious about this transaction. They're not just telling you that they're interested, they're committing to that discount. And if other people buy with them, as we've seen here, we've got 1 commit. When I come back in as that supplier and refresh this page, I instantly see that I've got that first restaurant at 3 cases, or in this case, I put cards earlier when I was setting this up. Last but not least, I'm going to come back in as that second supplier just to show you the power of buying together. Notice here, now it tells me that I just need 8 more units to get that next discount. Somebody's already started it for us. We've got the 3 units committed. Let's keep this going before the time runs out. So I'm going to do the same experience. Add it to the cart, view that cart, go ahead and get that 8 units for us so we can take advantage of the savings. And now when I commit as this second buyer in that same process and put in that card, that test card that we have here, I'm going to also commit. And what you'll see here momentarily is because of that second commit, now if I refresh my page as that supplier, we're both getting a higher discount. We're actually getting it now at $34.78 because we're getting it at 6% off. So I could continue on and on in this platform. I just wanted to show you the power of buying together. We have built this on a Rails backend, Postgres database. We've got Stripe that's doing the payment processing. We've got SendGrid, EasyPost integrations for shipping and email. Ton of great stuff that's happening. My team is here as well, development team. Love to check with you guys and see if you're interested in exploring this a little bit further, either from developers that we're looking for use cases. We've only been exploring this for about a few months, and we've already seen restaurants that are interested, paint shops that want to buy paint together. It's just endless, and the amount of people that are really interested in buying together and get the prices down. So thank you for the opportunity, and if you have any questions, we'll be in the back networking. So thank you.